Good morning! That was my smooth, spory cereal intro thingy. Hey! I'm drinking a butterbeer and 3 bone steaks. That's crazy.
There's Oliver. There he is.
This is our son, baby. This is our boy. He's gonna do amazing things. Good morning, Oliver. What are you doing? Running around like a mouse? So happy. Oh, you see the picture of yourself? That's you. Missy has the weirdest song stuck in her head this morning. What are you singing right now?
Hey, where my bays at? Where my bays at? Hey, where my... I got lots of bays, man. Now you can get one too. It's Miranda sings.
It's Miranda Sings. Missy loves Miranda Sings.
So this is gonna be a problem, huh? Am I gonna have to put Karma's water somewhere else? Oh, there. Oh. Oliver, you can't do that.
He wants to swim in it.
I know. He was like putting his feet in it. Like, oh, this is so nice. There's a little swimming pool in the house for me. I really want to make this as much of a baby-friendly area as possible. Obviously, it's not completely possible because no matter what, there's just stuff everywhere, you know? Okay. So this is going to be an official problem.
What are you doing? Look, you guys are all decked out for the 4th of July. I got the red, Missy's got the blue and the white.
Yeah, we just
Cute,
gotta get
like
Ollie.
your necklace.
Oh, thanks. Oh, we need to get Ollie his little outfit. It's all packed away though, so I gotta go unpack his
This
stuff.
is his first 4th of July.
Yes, it is. I'm
His
so
last
excited.
4th of July, he was in your belly, and actually, on the 4th of July last year, do you remember? You had just gotten out of the hospital.
Oh yeah, I was like, I really want to go to 4th of July. That's so interesting. I forgot about that.
No, last year, yeah, if you go watch last year's vlog, which is always on the end slate or in the description below, and you go back like 1 or 2 before that, we were like in the hospital because like he was going crazy.
Yeah, that's so true. I totally forgot about that. So tonight we're going to go watch fireworks because that's what we do every single year. And obviously Ollie's pretty little.
Oh yeah.
So I'm hoping he doesn't scare.
I didn't even think about that. Is he gonna be like, is he gonna think they're like explosions?
But we went to the fireworks at Disneyland and he loved it. Like he
Oh, that's
was
true.
Like, he was totally mesmerized by it.
Here's some fun facts about the 4th of July, you guys. It has the most drunk driving accidents of any holiday.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? And last year, 11,000 firework injuries were reported.
That's crazy.
11,000 people.
Remember in Idaho, like we
Yeah,
put
I mean,
our own fireworks.
yeah, in Idaho they don't do huge shows like they do in California, so we just buy our own fireworks.
When I moved to Idaho, that was like the coolest thing because we were never allowed to touch fireworks.
Yeah.
Before that. And so we moved to Idaho, and my dad was buying like all the fireworks, and we'd light them all off. And now I'm totally over that.
Yeah, I like going to a nice big park and having them do it for me. But also I remember one year in Idaho, we had a firework and we put it on top of a ladder and it was shooting up and then it fell down and then it was shooting at us and spinning in circles because the momentum of the rockets were like going everywhere and my sister got blasted in the chest and it was crazy.
It's freaking dangerous.
Yeah.
So we are starting to actually decorate, which I've been really wanting to do. I feel like I've actually got almost everything unpacked except for decorations, and then like this is all of our stuff. So I need to unpack all his clothes and stuff like that. That's just clean laundry I need to fold, and these are boxes that need to go.
It's really weird like how little stuff we have.
It really
You
is. I know. Like, especially in our room, we had a lot of decorations, but when you get it out here, you're like, oh, I don't have that much decorations. Hopefully we'll be able to slowly like make it our home kind of thing. But yeah, everything is coming along really well. I feel like because I'm like a YouTuber, we invite you guys in every single day. So it's like every single day I have thousands of people in my house, and so it pushes you harder to actually get things unpacked and get things, you know, how they're supposed to look. It's because I feel like if I didn't like have thousands of people looking at my home every day, I would just let boxes sit here forever. And I probably would be a little bit more relaxed about it. I'd be like, oh, let's just pack a box, unbox a day, you know? As a YouTuber, I'm like, all right, so we need to get this house looking good. He did it! Home is wherever I'm with you. And look at the ground.
Home is wherever I'm with you. Home. Want to come home.
But yeah, okay, so we got this mirror, we've got some cute little pictures coming up here. And then we've got this thing right here. And then we actually decorated this guest bathroom, although we're probably never going to use it unless we have guests over. But we used our shower curtain from the other house. We put this in here. And we put that in here. So, I don't know, I have like a lot of different kinds of like bird items that I'm definitely gonna just kind of incorporate in here, which I think is really cute. And Ollie is actually awake. Mr. Oliver, good morning. Are you looking for Karma? Say, come back, Karma. Oh, he loves you, huh?
All right, it is lunchtime, so I'm gonna make some chicken salad sandwiches. What I did is I actually cooked chicken last night, and I had a bunch of big pieces in that big old bag. So I fried up some after I was cooking dinner and chopped it all up. So we have fresh chicken. So I'm just gonna mix that up with mayonnaise, somewhere. How's that? And then I got these really nice Sara Lee sourdough rolls, which are good, and chips.
I'm going to officially start getting Oliver's room set up. It's so hard because I have like such a small window when he's awake that I can actually do his room. So I'm just gonna leave him in there. Huh, you gonna play in there while I do it? Gotta move this thing, I don't want this here.
And boom, chicken salad sandwiches for the win, yo! I totally forgot also, Missy cut up a big old watermelon last night. So we also have delicious watermelon.
Check out Karma. He's like, can we go swimming, guys? I really want to go swimming. He's so funny. Are you going swimming? Karma's funny, huh? He wants to go swimming. He's like playing in the water, but he doesn't want to actually get in. He's just like splashing it. They're doing nothing.
Ollie's been walking around with his blanket. He did this yesterday too. He just grabs his blanket and walks around with it like little Linus from Charlie Brown.
So cute. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, we're hanging up stuff. Cool beans. I like it. Is that your auntie? Cassie and Jimmy just got here. Are we gonna jump in the pool?
Yeah.
Look, you guys, Jimmy's on a shark. Dun-dun. Dun-dun. Where'd you find that, miss?
Walmart.
It's so cool. Oh, look at you chilling out. Is he reading a book while swimming?
Of course.
This kid's smart. You ready? Go get it.
Oh, come on, come on. Get it, hurry, get it.
Jump. Jump.
Come on. You lost it.
Drop. He needs to learn to dive. Doesn't Zoe or Marley dive? Anyone know if Charles' dogs dive to grab things? I wonder if we could teach him that, you know?
I don't know. I mean, he goes up there sometimes if it's just like right there.
Yeah.
Get it, but he won't go very far.
Alright, Missy just asked for the GoPro. Did you want the camera?
Yeah.
Here you go. Alright, cookies are done. And you know how we had a problem with the oven last night? Well, I took someone's advice and I scrubbed it really good, like with just some water, and it was not smoky anymore. So now we got taco chip cookies. And if you guys are wondering, we're still using Benjamin TV recipe from It's Judy's Time. We're using his chocolate chip cookie recipe and they always look so freaking good. And I actually like coat the pan in butter to grease it, and so it always smells like butter in here afterwards. It's amazing.
Guys, we're headed down to this park because it's 4th of July and we're having a big old like get together. That's all my family up there. You ready to see the fireworks? Are you gonna like them? You gonna like the fireworks? Hey CJ, you having a good 4th of July? Yeah. His best friend. Yes, him and Cassie have been doing a lot of bonding today.
So cute.
Thumbs up! Yeah, Bailey's ready. We have a feeling Bailey's gonna get really scared and cry. Are you gonna cry? Woo! What do you think, baby? He likes them. Ready for lights. Woo! Yay!
Cassie's juggling 3 water balls. Oh! She's attempting to. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. We got a long trek back up to the house. Click thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and
Happy 4th of July!
happy 4th of July. Hope you guys had a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, hey.
I mean, we had to get like, you know, seasonings and all the condiments and bread, eggs, milk, all those like little things. Dang, that is a sweet fry.
That's a sweet earth. So we are having a grocery putting away party. We got music going on. Ollie is on mama. But look, you guys, our pantry is getting full.